Hello students, today we are going to start longitude. To create position in east and west direction, cartographers use lines of longitude, also known as meridians. Longitude is the distance in degrees east or west of the prime meridian. The prime meridian, representing 0 degree longitude, is the reference point for longitude. Longitude points west of the prime meridian are numbered from 0 degree to 180 degree west longitude. It also points east of the prime meridian are numbered from 0 degree to 180 degree east longitude. Let us now read some of the facts about lines of longitude. The longitudes are known as meridians. It runs in a north-south direction. It measures distance east or west of the prime meridian. These are farthest apart at the equator and meet at the poles. These cross the equator at right angles. These lie in planes that pass through the equator axis. These are equal in length. These are halves of great circles. See Greenwich meridian. It passes from Greenwich Observatory of London. Now we are going to read what is GMT or Greenwich Mean Time. These are the all-time which is measured from Greenwich or suburb of London in England. The 0 degree longitude line or the prime meridian passes through Greenwich. Greenwich Mean Time is the time it is in Greenwich. Greenwich was chosen as a lot of world sea charts were being drawn up in England at that time. Now, what is hemisphere? Hemisphere means half of a sphere. Hemi means half, sphere means circle or globe. There are 4 hemispheres are there. North hemisphere, south hemisphere, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. See, the hemispheres north and south and the equator divides these 2 hemispheres north and south. See other 2 hemispheres east and west and the prime meridian divides these 2 hemispheres west and east. Now we are going to learn the similarities and differences of latitude and longitude. Similarities used for navigation, made of imaginary lines, vital to geography, and dissimilarities are it runs east to west, measured north and south. Lines are parallels measured from equator. These are the points of latitudes. Longitudes, these run from north to south, measured east and west. Lines are not parallel, measured from the prime meridian. Now we are going to learn the differences between parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude. Parallels of latitude run from east to west. Meridians of longitude run from north to south. Parallels of latitude are parallel to each other. Meridians of longitude are not parallel to each other. Parallels of latitude decreases in length while moving towards the poles. Meridians of longitude, the distance between two longitudes decreases while moving towards the poles from the equator. Parallels of latitude, they never meet or intersect each other. Meridians of longitude, they meet each other at the poles. The parallels of latitude, the biggest one is the equator, but the prime meridian is the mid longitude because all the longitudes are same in length. So up to this for today. Rest of the part we will read in the next class. So note down all the notes from these videos, all the modules. Thank you and have a nice day.